What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. Good morning from Disney Springs. Disney is getting more and more expensive, let's face it. So today we are going to be talking about all of the free things that you can do here at Disney Springs, from activities to concerts to just little experiences like samples. This video will help save you some money when you're here at Disney Springs. Let's go do this. So Disney Springs is pretty much completely free. It's free to park, it's free to enter, which is great because you don't need a Disney World park ticket. So if you're here and you maybe have a flight out late at night and you want to come here in the morning, or you just flew into Orlando and you don't have a park ticket, Disney Springs is really the place to come. Now, there are a lot of shops here, food, restaurants, so that's spending money. That's why today we're going to show you some of the free things that you can enjoy while you're here at the Springs. The first pretty cool thing you could do, see that boat right there? You can take a boat over to Port Orleans resorts or walk over to Saratoga Springs resorts, explore those hotels, maybe get a beignet. That's money, but it's still free to explore the Disney resorts. It's totally open for you to go, enjoy, walk around, see the different sites, take some pictures. So you can do that right here from Disney Springs. Here at the M&M store, they sometimes give out free samples inside, so be sure to head inside, look around. It's really fun in there, very colorful, smells like chocolate, and see if they have any samples out. Another really fun thing to do at Disney Springs is to take some photos. There's photo ops all around Springs, like this fun one with the M&M guys. It's a little early, so they might not be handing out samples yet, but let's see. So here's a sampling station right here. It's closed at this time, but look, try M&Ms. It's closed at this time, but that's okay. Just to let you guys know that this is where you can find some free samples of M&Ms. They have like fun ones too, like the cold brew M&Ms. You could try out different ones. And sometimes you can even meet an M&M's character in here. So the M&M is gonna come out at 12 to meet and greet, and that's a free meet and greet you could do here in the M&M store. It's so fun. Here at Salt and Straw, this is a really unique ice cream place. You can get free samples. Now, just proper etiquette. It's not nice to go in here and just try all the free samples and leave. But if you're looking to get some ice cream, they do have samples because they have some pretty wild flavors like strawberry honey balsamic, olive oil, all these fun various flavors. So if you head in here and ask, they'll give you a free sample of some ice cream. So since there's a lot of stores here at Disney Springs, a fun free thing to do is go window shopping. You don't have to go into the stores, but you can look in the windows and admire what they're selling, like this soccer store. Pretty unique, different store here in Springs. Disney Springs has 2 Starbucks locations, and they are pretty big. In Starbucks, you can get free water. Just ask for a cup of water, and they'll happily give it to you. Also, if it's your birthday, you get a free drink at Starbucks if you have the Starbucks Rewards app. So if you happen to be here on your birthday, come to Starbucks to get your free drink. Here in the CocaCola store, this store is awesome, by the way. You gotta check it out. It's 3 floors. On the top, it has a rooftop. We did the 16 around the world Coke flavor challenge. It was so much fun. Be sure to check out that video. I'll link it in the description. But in here, you can actually meet the Coca-Cola bear, which is a free meet and greet, another free meet and greet, and he's so cute. Here's what they have up at that rooftop bar, by the way, the around the world trays I was just talking about. Floats, mocktails, photo ops, drinks, coffee, snacks. Oh, the polar bear's not here today, but we've met him before. He's visiting the North Pole. I call this the Bougie section of Disney Springs because there's like nice stores like Free People, Zara. So once again, another window shopping area. Another free thing to do, they have this Disney Springs art walk. So they have some really awesome painted murals, just like little things like this you can enjoy, explore in Disney Springs for free. And if this is the first day of your trip and you need some help, you can head to the Guest Relations Welcome Center that's right here in Disney Springs. They have some free maps outside of the parks, and you could probably get some birthday pins, celebration pins, anything like that, all for free right here in Guest Relations. Look how pretty Disney Springs is too. It's really nice to just enjoy the scenery, relax, hang out here, take some pictures. Well, we gotta get lunch, so we're gonna get Chicken Guy. I've actually never had Chicken Guy. Let's try it out together. Oh, look at the Chicken Guy merch. That's so fun. I kind of want one. Here are all those different sauces you can get. Special sauce, donkey sauce, blue cheese. Wow. I love this big chicken. Flavor Town. I love Ganachery. You can sign up for the Sauce Squad and enjoy a birthday reward. So that's pretty cool. Got a little free tip there. We actually ended up getting the combo. So it's 5 tenders. Oh, the sun is like, there we go. 5 tenders in there, fries and 2 sauces. Got the special sauce and the sweet and sour. I really like the chicken tenders. They're fried, but I like them like that. I think they're delicious. The fries, they're honestly okay too. There's, you know, he's the mayor of Flavor Town, so there's a lot of flavor on them. Overall, chicken guy, Krystal Palace approved. For the holidays at Disney Springs, they have some free fun activities as well. Especially during Christmas, they have a Christmas tree trail where you can see all different Christmas trees themed to different Disney movies, characters, parks, and they also have a Santa Claus meet and greet. And all of that, of course, is free. Another really fun store to look in is Love Pop. They have some amazing paper cards and flower bouquets. And it's just really fun to look at all the different designs that they have going on here. They even have paper flowers, super cute. Here in the Harley Davidson store, you could get a photo op with a motorcycle for free, of course. We got this one right out in the front here, and this really cool one right back here. If you didn't go to a Disney park or you missed something or you just want to experience some Disney magic for free, head into the World of Disney. It is the largest Disney store. It's humongous. They have so much in here, and anything Disney you're looking for or you just want to look at and enjoy, it's in here. The old World of Disney store used to be like a lot more little like fun, Disney oriented, but this one is super nice now. The old one had like a sports section. There was characters all over the ceiling. I don't know, but this one still, everything Disney is in here. During the day, mostly at night, they actually have free concerts at Disney Springs. There's 3 stages. This one is the main one, the waterside stage. So you might be able to catch a completely free concert here at Disney Springs, which is always fun and free. They have some bands sometimes. They have school. I've seen orchestras here. It's a really nice little thing that they offer. Okay, one of my personal favorite free things to do is to wash my hands. Now, you may be saying, what do you mean wash your hands? I mean in Basin. So Basin is like kind of a Lush type store, and it's here in Disney Springs. It's also in the Grand Floridian. They have amazing products, bath salts, hand soaps, bath bombs, all of that fun. All right, I'm just gonna show you. Let's go inside. You can smell all the different bath bombs in here. Check out some of their Disney products as well. Like this is super cute, and it's a soap. So you go like this and it comes out as a paw print on your hand. The Mickey bars of soap are so cute. My personal favorite is this scrub. You take a little pick here. It feels so good. Makes your hands feel amazing. My hands smell amazing. Can't get enough. I do want to give you a heads up. If you do happen to buy anything from here and you're flying, the chances that they pull your bag at security to check it are very high. Pretty much every time I bought something from here, they have checked my bag at TSA. Because I got this from my baby cousin last time I was here, and they interrogated it. But it was fine. If you're looking for some more art to check out a store like Krystal Arts. You can go in and view the amazing pieces they have in there. So this is not exactly free, but I just wanted to point out that they do have this little railroad train here. $5 for 1 token, 10 for 2, and 20 for 6. It's 1 token per rider. And you can go around this little Disney Springs train. A free thing you can always do in Disney Springs is pin trade. They have pin trading booths at a bunch of places, but this is the pin trader store, so any pin you're looking for, you might be able to find here and trade too. Another paid attraction here is the carousel. It's really cute. It's paid, but just wanted to point it out that they do have it here. You can enjoy Christmas all year round by popping in the days of Christmas, listening to the Christmas music, and enjoying. But I just love hearing the Christmas music, getting the Christmas vibes, no matter what time of year it is. Here in Ghirardelli's, they're usually giving out free samples. Not this morning, but if you walk by here, you could sometimes get a free sample of chocolate. No samples today. Sad. Right outside of the Lego store, they actually have a free activity where you can build. So you could grab some blocks and build some whatever your heart desires here for free. Build some cars, it looks like. There's a racetrack. Build some buildings and some cities, all for free. And it's also really cool to check out the amazing Lego structures they have outside. The dragon that's been here literally forever. I don't know how he's still standing, but he's still there. He's an icon, and we love him. So check out the Lego figures, take some pictures with them. They got Star Wars over there. It's pretty cool. It's all made out of Legos. Disney Springs gets pretty busy because it is free. So if you want to have the least crowds, come right when it opens in the morning. It's nice and peaceful in the morning for sure. Oreoettes has amazing, amazing treats. You can come in here and take a look at all of their beautiful creations. Look at these character dome cakes. And you can watch the artists at work, which is so fun. My personal favorite, watching them do their thing. They have amazing treats. I absolutely love them. Okay, I got myself a little treat. I had to. They pack it so nicely too. Look at this. It looks like I'm buying like a fancy watch or something. Look how amazing this is. Oogie Boogie cream puff. Okay, that Oogie Boogie Oreoettes pastry, $8, but it was honestly worth it. I wanted to try a little Halloween treat, you know, and it was delicious. I loved the cookie underneath. I loved the cream puff itself, the filling. It was actually really, really good. Probably one of the better Disney desserts that I've had. Okay, Oreoettes, you're Krystal Palace approved. Another fun free activity you can do here in Disney Springs is check out the T-Rex. This is a restaurant, however, they do have a store in here that has some fun interactive activities. Your kids will probably get a kick out of seeing all the dinosaurs. That's the restaurant in there. I recommend it. It's amazing, such a fun family-friendly experience here. And they actually have, not free, but a build a dino experience. It's Build-A-Bear, but you can build a dino. So kids will get a kick out of just experiencing this store, seeing all the dinosaurs. It's really cute to just pop in and check out. This is totally not free, but you can always watch the boat launch here at the Amphicar. So fun. Goes into the water. The Ganachery is pretty cool too, because this is another place where you can see all of the bakers at work. And look at these spoons, I love them. You can see them making all the delicious treats. Oh wow, that's so cool. You know, they're fresh. They're made right here. It's awesome. For free at STK, you can enjoy the smells of steak from outside. That's all that's free here, but it smells good. We're back in the M&M store and they have samples. All right, so these are the campfire s'mores M&Ms. Oh, welcome. Campfire s'mores. Yeah, free samples. M&Ms, we have 5 in here. All right, everyone, we are headed out of Disney Springs, but that was a successful free day. Well, not really free for me, but free for you. Free to watch this video too, and it's also free to give this video a big thumbs up. So hit the like button, subscribe to the Krystal Palace for more free Disney things, for more fun Disney adventures, Universal. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.